Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about two different types of compound events. So the first type is an independent event. So independent events are two or more events that do not affect each other. Okay, so the outcome or the occurrence of the first event, it has nothing to do with the probability of the second event. So I will go through an example and hopefully it will make sense after the example. So Judy will choose two marbles one at a time. What is the probability of her choosing a zebra striped marble, replacing it, and then choosing a white marble? So I have compound events. I have two or more events that are happening, so I can multiply the probability of each event, like I mentioned in a previous video. Alright, so the first event is choosing a zebra striped marble. So I see that there are 4 zebra striped marbles out of the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total marbles. Now the second event, because we replaced this marble and we put it back into the bag, the probability of choosing a white marble has not been affected, okay, because there are still 10 marbles in this bag, and we have 3 white marbles. So the probability of these two events happening together would be 4 times 3 is 12, 10 times 10 is 100. I can divide both of these numbers by 4, and I get 12 divided by 4 is 3. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So I get 3/25, which means it is unlikely that these two events will occur together. All right. So that was independent events. Dependent events is when the probability of the second event is affected by what happened in the first event. So, for example, Jacob will choose two marbles one at a time. What is the probability of him choosing a zebra striped marble and without replacing it, choosing a white marble? All right, so again, we can multiply the probability of each event. So my first event, zebra striped marble, choosing a zebra striped marble, is 4/10. My second event, since I did not replace the zebra striped marble that I chose, I now only have 9 total marbles in the bag. Okay, now I know that there are 4 zebra striped marbles, but I'm only choosing one of these 4. So that's why there's a 9 here instead of 6. Okay, so I have 9 total marbles now, and I have 3 white marbles. So again, we're just going to multiply the probability of each event. We have 12 over 90. I'm going to simplify it. Can divide both of these by 3, and I get 12 divided by 3 is 4. 90 divided by 3 is 30. I can divide 4 and 30, both of these numbers, by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 2/15 is the probability of choosing a zebra striped marble without replacing it, choosing a white marble. All right, so there you have it, independent and dependent events.